Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jamf School MDM profile from an iPad. This is a common need if you are transitioning devices or no longer require the management. Before starting, it is absolutely essential to have the correct authorization or the necessary passcode. Also, please back up your device to ensure no data is lost. Let's begin with the steps to regain full control of your iPad. The most direct way to remove a Jamf MDM profile is through your iPad settings. First, open the Settings app, then tap on General. Scroll down until you see VPN and Device Management and select it. You will then see the Jamf MDM profile listed. Tap on this profile and then choose Remove Management. You will likely be asked to enter your device passcode or the administrator's credentials to complete this action. Sometimes, the removal needs to be initiated by the administrator through the Jamf School portal. The administrator can locate your device in their inventory, select it, and choose to unmanage or unenroll it. This process will automatically remove the MDM profile from your iPad. For devices initially enrolled via Apple School Manager, the administrator must also release the device from that system to prevent automatic re-enrollment. After attempting removal, it is crucial to verify the MDM profile is gone. You can check the VPN and Device Management section in your iPad settings. If the profile persists, a factory reset is an option, but be aware it will erase all data. For devices enrolled through Apple School Manager, a factory reset might lead to automatic re-enrollment, requiring the administrator to release the device from their system first. Always confirm the device is truly free.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.